Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at another fitness tracker from LETSCOM. This is the ID131HR. So let's get it out the box and let's have a look. So from inside the box you'll get a LETSCOM little card thing, a leaflet telling you how to assemble, disassemble and charge the fitness tracker, a manual which is half in English and half in German. Moving on to the strap, it's made of rubber and it's got a metal buckle, so it's that type of strap. It's got a nice textured finish to it, all little triangles and that, and it does look really nice. I'll show you how to fit that in a moment. Okay, so moving on to the body of the tracker itself, you can see it's quite small. It's just about the right size to fit on the wrist. It's got these two protrusions at the ends. Now the one on this end is for charging. Now what you do to charge it, I'll just get a little battery bank here, is just slot it into any USB port. Then you'll see a red light comes on and a little battery indicator to show you that it's charging. So take that out of there. It actually vibrates when you put it in and out of the USB port. So it's got a 90 milliamp hour battery in there, and it should take between an hour and 2 hours to charge, and that's going to give you about 5 to 10 days use, depending on how much you actually use it for the different functions. Now the screen size on this is less than an inch and it's an LCD screen, but the actual display is set. You can't actually change the clock face or any of the other faces on there. It's pretty much set with what you've got. So the fitness tracker is waterproof. It's IP68 rated, which is the top rating for dust ingress and water ingress as well. So this can actually be immersed in water. You can go swimming with it. There isn't a swimming mode in there though, which I find a little strange for something that's been made this waterproof. Okay, so looking around the back of the device, all you've got around here really is the sensors, and you can also see, like I said before, the USB charging area. Okay, so to fit the strap, you just simply push it into place. Now I put the buckle one at the top and the other at the bottom. So there we go. And to fit it to the wrist, well, it's just the same as any other watch really. Simple. And it looks not too small, not too big, it's just the right size for my wrist. So looking at the front of it, it's an LCD screen, as I say, 0.96 of an inch, with underneath that there's a little touch sensitive icon at the bottom, which is a little touch sensitive button. Now it's not a touch screen, you have to cycle through using this button. So we've got first of all the watch face, then the pedometer, which has counted how many steps I've done so far today, and it also, the little line of dots underneath, that gives you how far through you are to your daily target. Then you've got the heart rate monitor. Then you've got different sports tracking settings, so you've got walk, run, bike and then you're back through to the watch face. So let's say, for example, you were going for a walk. What you would do is go to the walk, and then you would hold down on that button. It then counts you down from 3. So then it keeps track of your heart rate, how long you've been walking for, and then you can cycle through how many steps you've done during this exercise, how many calories you've burnt, how many miles you've actually walked, what sort of pace you're going at, the average pace that you've been doing, and back to the time again. So to stop your little walk, you then hold down again, and it will stop that session. Now, if you've actually done the exercise, which I haven't in this case, it would then record it back to the app. Now, the app you would have on either your iOS phone or, as mine is, Android. Now, for the previous tracker that I reviewed, it was the VeryFit Pro app, and now it's the VeryFit Plus app. Now, this is because it's got the feature of recording all the different performance trackings, like the walk, the run and the bike. So if I look through here, first of all, it tells me how many steps I've done, and then I can look at yesterday, day before, and it goes back several days. Now, as you can see, I sit on my arse a lot and don't do a lot of actual walking. It also gives you average heart rate during the day, because this will come on and off and record your heart rate as you're going through the day, and it records your sleep patterns. Now, if you go into there, it does tell you when you were deep asleep, when you had light sleep, and when you were awake. As you can see there, I woke up in the middle of the night. Now, in the app itself, you can use GPS tracking as well, and it will use the heart rate and step monitor from the fitness tracker and the GPS on the phone to track where you've actually been going. So there you go, a really nice fitness tracker. Now, this is available from the LETSCOM website for about $36, or from Amazon here in the UK for about £30. So I'll leave the links to the LETSCOM ID131HR Fitness Tracker in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. Doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you will get told every time I upload a new video. And why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now for your further viewing pleasure. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.